Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming who you are and ensuring root access. Run whoami or IDUN to see the current login. Once done, switch to a root-enabled shell using sudo I or open a second admin session to avoid locking yourself out. Make sure to backup /etc/password, /etc/shadow, and /etc/group with CP so you can restore if needed. These steps give you safety and the privileges required to change system account data without interruption. Next, change the account name and move the home directory. Use sudo usermod lnewName oldName to alter the login name. This updates login records. Then run sudo usermod d/home/newName mnewName to change and move the home folder safely, preserving permissions. If the primary group matches the old username, update it with sudo groupmod newName oldName so group ownership stays consistent. Make sure no processes owned by the old user are running. Otherwise, stop them or reboot into single-user mode. Finally, verify the change and fix lingering references. Inspect /etc/password and /etc/group to ensure newName appears and UID/GIDs are correct. Update SSH authorized keys, cron tab entries, sudoers references, and chown rnewName, newName/home/newName to correct file ownership. Log out and test a new login or switch user with su_newName. If you cannot log in, use the backups you made. Restore the original files or boot to a rescue shell and revert changes to recover the account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.